Good day, engineers. So, ang i-discuss natin ngayon is password, no, under sa subject na Hydraulics and Principle of Geotechnical Engineering. So, this is the problem, no. So, November 2018 password ito. Given that the field unit weight of a soil sample is 1,600 kilograms per cubic meter, the unit weight of the soil grains 2,500 kilograms per cubic meter, and the moisture content of the soil is 12%, evaluate the void ratio of the soil sample, evaluate the degree of saturation, and evaluate its unit weight when it becomes dry in kilonewtons per cubic meter. So, para masolve natin to guys, no? So, unang tanong is void ratio. Pinakamagandang gawin is ilista natin yung mga given, no? Para makita natin kung anong formula ba yung gagamitin natin. So, ang topic na pala ito guys is under soil properties, no? First lesson ng soil mechanics or geotechnical engineering. So, yan yung given natin guys, no? So, unang given is unit weight daw ng soil. So, gamma wet is equal to 1,600 kilograms per cubic meter. So, in reality guys, this is density, di ba? Pero okay lang, no? Banggitin lang natin or sabihin lang natin na unit weight kasi yun yung nakasanayan, di ba? Naka-unit weight kahit density siya guys. Pero hayaan nyo lang, walang problema yan. Then, sabi dito, ang unit weight daw ng soil grains is 2,500 kilograms per cubic meter. Then, may binigay na water content, no, or moisture content na 12%. So, unang tanong is void ratio. So, iisip tayo ng formula guys, no? Gamit tong mga given na to. May unit weight, may water content, tsaka, ayan, unit weight ng soil grains. So, recall natin guys, no? Yung formula sa unit weight nung wet or moist soil, no? So, ito, formula, no? So, GS, no? Or specific gravity ng soil solids times gamma ng water over 1 plus E, then times quantity 1 plus W or yung moisture content. So, wala tayong problema guys, no? May unit weight tayo ng wet, meron tayong unit weight ng water, alam natin yan kasi constant yan. Meron tayong moisture content. Sakto sa formula, meron dito yung letter E, no? Yung void ratio, yung hinahanap natin. Ang kaso, nasaan to guys, no? Yung specific gravity ng soil solids. So, makukuha natin yan guys gamit yung binigay na unit weight ng soil grains. So, specific gravity is equal to, ayan, diba, unit weight nyo ng substance over yung unit weight ng reference or yung unit weight ng water. So, that is 2,500 kilograms per cubic meter over 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Kaya, ang GS pala natin is 2.50. So, yan guys, pwede na natin i-substitute, no? So, that is 1,600 is equal to 2.5 times 1,000. So, bakit 1,000 guys ginamit natin? Di ba ang alam natin, unit weight ng water is 9.81 kilonewtons per cubic meter. So, kaya 1,000 guys, kasi nga, ang ginamit natin is density. Naka-kilograms per cubic meter. So, ang density ng water is 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Kaya yan yung ginamit natin guys, no? So, over 1 plus E times quantity 1 plus 0.12. So, pag sinipsolve natin guys, or isolate lang yung value ni E, eto ang lalabas na void ratio. 0.75. So, okay tayo guys, no? Mayroon tayong sagot sa number 1. The next problem is evaluate the degree of saturation. So, iisip ka. Meron ka ng GS, meron tayong W, meron tayong E. So, saan pa natin makikita guys, no, yung degree of saturation gamit yung mga given na yon. So, gamitin natin yung tinatawag na GWES, di ba? Or ano ba yung mga, iba-iba tayo ng mnemonics eh. Ano yung sewage ba yung gamit ng iba? Pero ako GWES, yung mas sanay ako sa GWES ng tawag. So, yan guys, no? Specific gravity ng soil solids times the moisture content is equal to void ratio times the degree of saturation. So, plug-ins lang natin guys, no? Plug-in lang yung mga values, no? So, 2.5 times 0.12 is equal to 0.75 times S. So, lalabas na si S or yung degree of saturation natin is 40%. And lastly, evaluate the unit weight, no? Nung yung dry unit weight. So, dry unit weight is GS times gamma ng water over 1 plus E. So, plug in ng values guys, no? So 2.5 times 9.81. So bakit ginamit na natin yung 9.81? Kasi guys, ang hinahanap is unit weight in kilonewtons per cubic meter. Kaya 9.81 ginamit natin. Then over 1 plus 0.75, lalabas na sagot guys is 14.01 kilonewtons per cubic meter. So ayan engineers, thank you for